I think we have to recreate this effect using the Starburst because I can modify the Starburst here just to have a linear aperture. That means that I just have one big streak, rotation, like this, less blur, less thickness, and less brightness. Let's try to change the color of the beams. Okay, then we'll have to go to the sunbeams, turn them down, and change the scale, and change the complexity and variation. This is different. This is a different kind of anamorphic because it's something like this. Okay. Then we have to change the streak. There is a reddish light there. I don't know if I can use the glow to create it, but no, I can't use the glow because the glow has the same color of the streak. This is something that we cannot modify. So if I activate the glow will be blue. And here we have a red light. So I can make something different. We could try to use the sunbeams as if it was a glow, because if we reduce completely the variation, it's something just like a glow, okay? And if we change the color, I will have to modify this much more, something like this, okay? If we change the color of this one, and we use the red, not too much, something like this, and I will modify the scale and turn down, okay? And then now I can use the glow. It's not the same. Anyway, we have a flared inspired to this. I think we'll have to change a little the sunbeams because a little complexity is necessary. Okay, I think this is the best I can do right now. It's not so great, but it is. We can save it and we can export Flash as a custom preset, BAM 02. And that's all. Thank you. Bye-bye.